This is continuation of theory of consumer behavior. Now let's look into the assumption of cardinal utility or cardinalist approach. Cardinal utility assumed that utility can be measured in numerical value known as utils. Cardinal utility assumed that utility is measurable. For instance, the satisfaction you derived from eating first catfish is 50 utils. That is the exact satisfaction, the exact value. The measurement is known as utils. Now, the satisfaction you derived from eating first catfish is 50 utils. The second catfish gives you 30 utils. From 50 utils down to 30 utils. As the satisfaction is decreasing, the more you eat catfish. That is the law of diminishing marginal utility. As the satisfaction is decreasing, the more you eat catfish. The law of diminishing marginal utility clearly states that as consumption increases, marginal utility decreases. That is the law of diminishing marginal utility. Perhaps you are someone who loves watching movies every day. Everyday movie. The more you watch movie, the less satisfaction you derive from it. The more you watch movie, the less satisfaction. There will be a point you will get tired of watching movie because you love watching movies every day. The law of diminishing marginal utility. There will be a point you will get tired of watching it. The more you watch it, the less satisfaction you derive from it. Now let's look into the assumption of cardinal utility or cardinalist approach. 1. Utility is measurable. Utility is measurable. For instance, you are someone that loves eating banana, the first satisfaction you derived is 30 utils. That is the measurement. Utility is measurable. Utility is measurable. 2. Rationality of consumer. Rationality of consumer. Rationality of consumer means that consumer always buy what gives them the most satisfaction. Consumer always spend wisely. That is rationality of consumer. Consumer is rational. They always buy what gives them the most satisfaction. They always buy what gives them the most value. They spend wisely. That is rationality of consumer. 3. Utility is objective. Utility is objective means that when two or more people consume the same quantity of commodity, they derived the same satisfaction. For instance, when two or more people eat one catfish, they derive the same satisfaction. That's what it means. Utility is objective. The objectivity means that when two or more people consumed the same quantity of goods, the same quantity of commodity, they derive the same satisfaction. The fourth one is utility is addictive. The fifth one is law of diminishing marginal utility. The law of diminishing marginal utility states that as consumption increases, marginal utility decreases. As consumption increases, marginal utility decreases. This is the end of our today's episode. Never forget to follow me on my YouTube channel. Bye.